Straight off the bat, the one thing that strikes me when seeing this laptop is how thin it is for the power that it's capable of delivering. The overall size and weight is outstanding, and as per usual, the design is sleek. Features I've fallen in love with are the ability to unlock my laptop using the Apple Watch, and being able to reduce how often I need to enter passwords using just Touch ID. It's a massive time saver. The often contested touch bar is a completely new experience for me, having come from a work laptop without it and a Mac Mini with Apple Magic Keyboard. There's definitely a learning curve, however I definitely see the benefits. I hope Apple maintains it as an option for the future and continues to improve upon it. Performance goes without saying. This laptop leaves my Intel machines in dust, even when running non-native applications like Adobe Premiere and Adobe Illustrator via Rosetta 2. So I have high hopes for the future. Overall, this is my first personal laptop in 8 years, and I'm so far not disappointed. If you're looking to upgrade, take the following into account. 1. The apps you use. Not all apps are natively compatible with Apple's new silicon, so best to check if your day-to-day apps for your needs run on a laptop. 2. If you need to run Windows via Boot Camp, this isn't the laptop for you. And finally, 3. Prepare for a dongle life. With only 2 USB-C ports, you'll need adapters to connect more than just 2 devices and all your older devices that might use an older connection. If these 3 things aren't an issue, then new Apple Silicon MacBooks are a worthwhile upgrade, with great performance and battery life over its predecessors, but not much else.